Back with us again, we have my mom, Diane Hunter, and we're talking about those Callaways, which we love.
We certainly do. And as most people know, they are a family-owned business, and they represent people so well.
They really do.
And it doesn't matter whether you're buying or selling, they're the ones to call.
Exactly.
So if anybody's looking to buy a house, sell a house, and it doesn't matter what part of the valley, they can take care of you. And you've got one of their listings to tell us about, don't you?
I do. We have one. It's in Old Town Scottsdale. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is over 1,200 square feet. It's actually 1,282. It's luxury urban living with magnificent mountain views, close to fine dining, entertainment, and shopping. They have the master bedroom, has master suite with custom closets, dual sinks, a soak tub, walk-in shower, and of course, the master bedroom itself is just phenomenal. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Their family room has spacious family room and perfect for entertaining guests. You know, it's just one of those great ones. And then the kitchen, oh my gosh, granite countertops, stainless appliances, packages. It's the stainless package features, which is like 6 burners, range. They've got the custom hood, built-in microwave. The patio has a built-in barbecue with the sink. We have the patio seating, expansive ramada, and then the endless city lights and Camelback mountain views from the rooftop heated pool and spa, which are phenomenal. And then they also have services that include on-site staff, secure underground parking, 24-hour business center, there's everything. I mean, basically, they have so much, I can't even say it all. The price is $475,000.
Wow, that's a great price for that.
So people need to call them right away, and they can check this one out or any of their other ones.
Absolutely.
Thanks.